Good morning, welcome to the Blind Tiger Farm. If you watched the other video, my stump grinder hit a weight plate under a tree, and it wasn't too hard to find this parts bag. I thought it was brown, it was green, and in this parts bag they sent me some of their really nice tools. I'm not sure exactly what this is for, but they sent it. Has some directions, and believe it or not, the directions actually look like, I read them and they do not look like some of the directions you do receive. I mean, they're in English and they're understandable. It was 39 degrees this morning. Right now it's up about 43. So if people say it doesn't get cold in Florida, they're wrong. Safety goggles. So anyway, I'm replacing the teeth on this thing. And here's the bag of teeth. And I'm going to inspect all these other teeth before I operate with them again. I can sharpen them, but I may as well put the new teeth on. And they're quite sealed up and protected. And the teeth are alternating. I did see in the manual that this thing will take something called green teeth. I guess the green teeth makes your tree live again. I'm not sure. But the green teeth goes on these inner holes on the grinding wheel there. But yeah, it came with new bolts. Like I said, when I hit that plate, those the other bolts sheared off. The teeth here don't look that bad. Like I said, I've sharpened them once or twice before. It's kind of nice though, the way they put this together is you just need one wrench. Might help you put it in there correctly.
Daddy?
Yes?
Here, honey. She was not. She
Oh, hi. Are you curious? Just in case there was any doubt what that is, it's a set of teeth. This is Shelby, by the way. So the teeth go three ways, straight, they curve left and they curve right. And I'm just going around the wheel, replacing the teeth as they come up. I'm putting new bolts in too, so I can check out the other bolts, make sure they aren't fractured. This power ratchet I'm using here, this I actually got on a deal at Napa a few years ago. I complained the other day about one that looked like this from Ryobi that uses their little battery pack. And that thing only puts out 10 pounds of torque. This one actually says it puts out 40 pounds of torque, which conveniently is the amount of torque they recommend to hook these nuts to. So that makes life convenient for once, except for, hitting weight plates and whatnot. Yeah, I'll stick these bolts and take a look at them before I put them back on the machine. And the set of teeth did come with new bolts. The belts, I looked at them, they look fine from this. So I guess the shear bolt broke before the belts broke too. That's a straight tooth, so it's not brain surgery or rocket surgery or whatever you want to call it. Let me go see what trouble the girls are getting into. Shelby came through. Shelby doesn't like to get out of my sight, but Day Day likes to roam the property and inspect everything. Turn the camera off for a little while. I don't think anyone wants to watch me wrench for a few minutes. But anyway, there's the cutting blades are replaced. These are the 3 cutting blades that were broken off. They were all the right-leaning ones, and they do show a little sign of impact, but obviously the impact was enough to break those bolts. So I like talking about tools, and I told you the Ryobi sells a little ratchet like this, but it only puts out 10 pounds of torque. You use their little battery. This I got from Napa. It's branded AC Delco. It comes with a 3/8 drive and a 1/4 inch drive ratchet. And I like them because they're small. They're about the size of a regular ratchet, so you can get them in any place you can get a regular ratchet. Ryobi does sell a higher torque one, but it uses their 18-volt battery, so I can't imagine getting that into too many places. Another thing I found is this. It's a swivel seat for a bucket. In the shed here, the floor is sand. So if you're on a bucket, if you tip the bucket over, you're gonna be sinking into the sand, but this way you can have the bucket up and down, and it's like a shop stool, except you can have like a cool bucket. And it's useful for me around here, and I like it. So if you want to see me wrench for hours, let me know. And if not, a few more projects here. This is a hay liner, hay baler I gotta fix and get that ready. This was a mistake. It's an ATG seeder. I contacted the company after I got it at auction, and they informed me they don't have any instructions for it. I tried seeding corn with it, and that was a big mistake. It'd probably work good for grass seed or something like that, but as a seeder,
Let me know what you think I should do different or what you want to see. Thanks.